Yo, so, where are we, Mac?
We're in Las Vegas, baby.
Woo!
Alright, so we were in Yosemite 8 or 9 hours ago. It was 10 o'clock to now it's 5 o'clock. So 7 hours driving overnight through the Nevada desert. Would not recommend doing that at night, ever. And now we're in Las Vegas.
Grand Lux Cafe. Actually, we should take this opportunity to start today's vlog because we just had breakfast in Vegas. What a trip. We're gonna go make it bulletproof.
What up? We are in Zion National Park, short drive from the Las Vegas Strip. Thank you, Benton, for driving that while I slept. Took a little nappy poo. We're about to do Angel's Landing, which is one of the most popular hikes in the United States. And it's a good 4-hour hike, 2.5 miles, and lots of elevation change. One point, you're climbing up, holding chains, and pulling yourself. So
Cool.
we're about to have a ton of fun and playing some nice red rock.
Holy shit, it's windy. That is huge.
Wow. Last couple steps. Angel's Landing. Gorgeous. A few hundred feet drop on either side.
scarf.
Ethan's back on the vlog.
Bye.
He made it back. He wants more.
It's good. You guys should get it.
Yeah, you hold the.
All right. See ya.
Peace, bro.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff.
This is not a paid endorsement. He really asked for it. Should try it.
Yeah.
Why?
Cause I drank the drink.
You think it makes you feel better?
Woo!
It's all plant-based, baby.
Didn't see anybody.
Who's the smelliest people on the bus?
Hey, what's up?
Nice.
I am.